huh?
Okay.
What that's crazy daddy doing, huh?
Okay, Mommy. Why are we giving her a bath? What happened?
Because she had a big blowout.
She had a big poopy.
All up her back. On all the
Aw.
legs. Huh, on all the legs. Oh, careful. Careful. Yeah, should we wash? Here, we'll do this arm first then, okay? Yeah. Should we get under the arm? Yeah. Get all that icky, yucky off, huh? Oh, you're just falling over. You're kind of falling over. Should we get the tummy? Uh-huh. Get under that arm really good, huh? These legs and the little toes. Uh-huh.
So cute. She's liking it.
Yeah, she likes bath
She
time.
likes bath time.
Yeah, do you like bath time, huh? Yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh.
You can do her hair.
Wipe her face. Should we get your face?
Wait. You're gonna wipe her face with the water that
Was in here?
was in here.
It's clean.
That you clean poop off of her body with.
I wiped her up really good with baby
Okay.
wipes. So we got all
All
of
right.
all the icky off.
Oh, she's laughing. Got a little laugh. Can you see this little laugh? Oh, what's Mommy doing?
Did you just record that whole conversation on there?
Yeah.
Your daddy is a silly daddy, huh? Hey, can I get your face? Oh, you're falling again. Here, let's scooch over. Yeah. It feels like it's getting a little cold. It's getting a little cold. Should we get behind your ears? Okay, let's get this one. I gotta get in this neck. Can you get in your neck? Oh. Yes. Okay, let go. You gotta let go of the towel. Can you let
Got a hold of it?
Yeah. Can you let go of the towel? Okay, you wanna hold on to it?
She wants to hold on to it.
Okay, should we do your hair?
She's just sitting there waiting, like she's at the salon.
Okay. Let me see these. Can you let go?
Oh, look at that nice hairstyle.
Okay. Come here. Let's get your backside.
There's a nice little booty. You making it nice and warm for her, honey?
Yeah, I think it's warm.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, shall we call you done? Alright. Give me that towel. Okay.
All right, Mommy's got you in the towel.
Oh, goodness.
All right.
Ooh. Is it cold? You have water running down your face. Let's try this hair. This one. Okay, say all done, all clean. Are you happy? Was that fun? Yeah, bath time's fun, huh?